We're here with David Wright, who's the portfolio manager of the Sierra Core Retirement Fund, which is tops in its Morningstar category, the moderate allocation category. It is the #1 fund, and what interests me is that you do it by doing something that we always tell readers can't be done. You move in and out of different asset classes based on your view of how they'll perform in the future. A lot of people call that market timing, and they say it's impossible.
Yes, historically that's been true of people talking about equity market timing. The key thing that we do is we have a trailing stop under every holding in the fund, as we've done with separate accounts for 23 years. And what that means is that we sell before any asset class drops more than a certain amount and hurts the portfolio. So that's very disciplined and not based on our view of anything. But when we have cash, yes, we have to find something we like to move into.
Now, how do you decide that, say, stocks are going to be doing well in the near term, or bonds are going to be doing well in the near term, or high yield is going to be doing well?
We actually look at a new uptrend. We have to have an uptrend before we get a green light. And then we have to convince ourselves, based on a lot of reading and analytics, that there remains upside potential that hasn't yet been fully exploited in the market.
Okay, so of course the $64,000 question, what's going to do well in the near future?
The dollar will probably perform very well the rest of this year, so we're long the dollar index. High-grade bonds, U.S. and foreign, and including muni bonds, are likely to do surprisingly well over the coming months, most of the time. Whereas risk assets are getting less and less in favor. They're out of favor certainly this week, and we're avoiding them.
Now, a lot of people are concerned that muni bonds face a headwind because of, government indebtedness, that they're just borrowing too much money. You don't see that as a problem?
It's a big problem. California is the 7th biggest economy on the planet, and we look like Greece. But all that's in the market and somewhat overdone. And if you interpose a skillful portfolio manager, they're picking through the junk pile, and also they're pruning the garden. What they own, they look at very carefully.
Okay, well, thank you very much, David.
Thank you.
And thank you for watching.